ABML Morning Update. We are living in a world where AI has stopped being a promise. It's leading to paranoia about industries that could be ravaged. Global markets. US equities rose on Tuesday, led by gains in advanced micro devices and software stocks, as investors' fears around artificial intelligence disruption to certain industries eased. The S&P 500 advanced 0.77% to close at 6,890.07, while the Nasdaq Composite rose 1.04% and settled at 22,863.68. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 370.44 points or 0.76% and ended at 49,174.50. Trump will announce at the State of the Union this evening a pledge from the top technology companies to pay higher electricity prices in communities where they are building new data centers, a White House official confirmed. European markets closed higher on Tuesday, with the Pan-European Stock 600 index edging up 0.23% as major regional bosses ended the session in positive territory. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on February 24th. At close, the Sensex was down 1.28% at 82,226, and Nifty was also down 1.12% at 25,425. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 51 points at 25,654, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's semiconductor sector is witnessing a strong hiring surge as companies expand chip design and manufacturing capabilities. Firms are actively recruiting specialists with expertise in areas such as VLSI engineering and AI accelerator technologies. The demand for domain experts is rising faster than supply, creating intense competition for skilled talent. This hiring momentum is being fueled by government incentives, policy support, and strategic industry investments. Companies aim to build advanced domestic capabilities rather than relying heavily on imports. The push reflects a broader national strategy to establish a robust semiconductor ecosystem. Recruiters report that niche technical roles are especially hard to fill due to limited experienced professionals. Industry leaders are also partnering with academic institutions to build a future talent pipeline. The talent race signals long-term confidence in India's chip ambitions. Overall, the hiring boom highlights how rapidly the country is positioning itself as a serious player in the global semiconductor value chain. Focus for the day: Eurozone CPI, US crude oil inventories. Key corporate development/policy actions. Elantis Bec posted a solid Q3 YOY performance with revenue up 9.3% to 215 crore rupees, while EBITDA rose 28.7% to 45 crore rupees, lifting margins to 20.9%. Net profit grew 32.4% to 39.4 crore rupees, showing strong profitability driven by margin expansion and operating efficiency. Afcon's infrastructure client terminates a road project contract worth 113 million euros. The company is pursuing legal remedies for the remaining balance portions. Adani Ports arm, Astro Offshore Pte. Expands its presence by incorporating a new arm, Astro Offshore ME. Lemon Tree Hotel signs a license agreement for a new 100-room hotel project in Uttar Pradesh. Himadri Speciality Chemical commences operations at its 70,000 metric tons per annum specialty carbon black manufacturing unit in West Bengal. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 1.03 billion rupees, while DII bought for 31.61 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.